10 homemade protein shakes, healthy and tasty 5-minute recipes. Do you want to gain lean muscle? Do you feel extremely hungry after your workout session? Then, instead of protein powders, try homemade protein shakes. Protein shakes work wonders when it comes to reducing your hunger post-workout and gaining lean muscle, and can help replace meals in a pinch. These homemade protein shakes are made with natural ingredients and taste way better than commercial protein powders. 10 healthy DIY protein shake recipes. 1. Chocolate protein shake. Protein 23.6 grams. This protein shake is ideal for all bitter chocolate lovers. It tastes sweet, but not too sweet, and is aromatic and an instant mood booster. The ingredients make it a good source of protein as well. Ingredients: 1 chopped apple, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1 tablespoon grated dark chocolate, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup yogurt, 2 pitted dates. How to prepare: toss the chopped apple, pitted dates, milk, yogurt, cocoa powder, and almond butter into a blender. Whiz it. Pour the thick smoothie into a glass and garnish with grated dark chocolate. 2. Sattu, roasted gram flour, low-calorie protein shake, protein 16.65 grams. Sattu is a plant-based protein powder made of roasted gram flour. It is also known as the poor man's food, because it costs less than 1/10 the price of whey protein. You can make it at home or buy it from an Indian supermarket or any local Indian supermarket. It provides energy and is one of the best sources of protein. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons sattu powder, juice of half a lime, 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro, 1/2 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, salt to taste, 1 cup water. How to prepare: mix sattu, salt, roasted cumin powder, and chopped cilantro. Stir and add the entire cup of water gradually. Make sure there are no lumps. Pour into a glass, add lime juice, and give one final stir before drinking it. 3. Peanut butter banana protein shake, protein 43.54 grams. This smoothie is a rich source of protein. Use this as your post-workout meal to reap its goodness. Ingredients: 2 medium-sized bananas, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 2 cups Greek yogurt, almond yogurt, 1/2 cup full-fat milk, soy milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, cocoa powder. How to prepare: add bananas, yogurt, milk, and peanut butter to a blender. Blend to a smooth, thick smoothie. Add chia seeds and sprinkle cocoa powder on top. Enjoy. 4. Oatmeal apple protein shake, protein 21.48 grams. The phytonutrients in the apple can help keep your blood sugar levels under control. Pair it up with milk and oatmeal for a thick breakfast protein shake that will keep you full for a long time. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons oatmeal, 2 cups milk, 1 peeled and chopped apple, 3 tablespoons almond butter, cocoa powder. How to prepare: blend all the ingredients at high speed until you get a thick, smooth shake. Sprinkle some cocoa powder and enjoy. 5. Oatmeal, blueberry, and chia seeds milkshake, protein 24.72 grams. This amazing protein-loaded smoothie is a great replacement meal and one of the best post-workout homemade protein shakes. Ingredients: 1/2 cup blueberries, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 2 tablespoons oatmeal, 2 cups of milk, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon peanut butter. How to prepare: blend all the ingredients at high speed to get a thick, smooth shake. Add a handful of crushed ice and pulse for a couple of seconds. Transfer to a tall glass and enjoy. 6. Blueberry, almond butter, and banana smoothie, protein 26.7 grams. Blueberry is loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C and is a great addition to the almond butter and Greek yogurt-based protein shake. Ingredients: 1 cup blueberries, 1 banana, 2 tablespoons almond butter, 1 cup Greek yogurt. How to prepare: puree all the ingredients at high speed in a blender. Pour into a glass, and enjoy. 7. Banana, ragi, and chia seeds shake. Protein 15.5 grams. Ingredients: 2 small bananas, 3 tablespoons sprouted finger millet, ragi, powder, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 6 almonds, 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon powdered jaggery, 1/4 cup warm water. How to prepare: add almonds and chia seeds to the blender and pound to a smooth powder. Add the rest of the ingredients and blend at high speed until you get a smooth, thick shake. Drink immediately. 8. Alphonso Mango Almond Milk Protein Shake. Protein 24.84 grams. This is a great post-workout shake as the carbs from the mango will help instantly replenish the depleted glycogen or carb stores in the body. Almond milk and chia aid muscle recovery by providing a good amount of protein. Ingredients: 1 cup chopped Alphonso mango, 1 cup almond milk, 1 ounce cashew nuts, 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 cup chilled Greek yogurt. How to prepare: toss the chopped Alphonso mango, milk, and chilled yogurt into a blender. Whiz it and pour it into a tall glass. Add chia seeds and stir well before drinking. 9. Almond cocoa milkshake. Protein 12.92 grams. Almonds and coconut make a great pair. Mixing these two with a cup of milk or almond milk can enhance the taste and nutritional value. Ingredients: 10 almonds, 1 cup milk or almond milk, 2 tablespoons grated fresh coconut, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 cup cashew milk, 2 pitted dates. How to prepare: blend the almonds, coconut, milk, and dates. Pour it into a glass. Stir in cashew milk, cocoa powder, and vanilla extract. Sip it. 10. Soy milk strawberry protein shake. Protein 24.72 grams. This is a yummy and smooth vegan protein shake that kids of all ages, pun intended, will enjoy. Ingredients: 2 cups soy milk, 1/2 cup chopped strawberries, 1 tablespoon ground almond, 1 tablespoon ground melon seeds, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder. How to prepare: toss all the ingredients into the blender and blend into a thick smoothie. Pour it into a glass. Add 2 ice cubes if you want and drink up. Conclusion: try these 10 best healthy protein shake recipes at home. Do strength training every alternate day. Have a good pre- or post-workout meal, and take good rest. Your lean muscle and body tone will improve eventually. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and are there any videos, in particular, you would like to see? Please let us know by commenting below.